Well, good morning, everyone, and welcome back. Before I get too carried away with what's going on, I am drilling out another antler, and I put a 300 Win Mag shell into the end of it to kind of give it a little more decoration. This was, I guess he broke it during a fight, so I got a Dremel tool and kind of knocked off some of the sharper edges off of it, and I've already got the walnut cut. I got to get the brass cut and get my leather cut and get everything shaped up, and we're going to put together another one. This one here I'm building to sell. I'm thinking probably around 150 bucks. The blades are excellent. They're from Finland. They're from a company out of Duluth, Minnesota called Pakua Cutlery. I use his blades. I've got one of his Mora knives, and I've gutted 3 with it so far. You can still shave with it, so they're really good blades. Anyhow, I'm going to get back to work on this, and I'll just kind of keep you posted as I move along. Stay tuned. Okay, quick update. I got that tang to fit down in there. So the brass is done. I just got to cut out the black walnut and the leather pieces, and this will soon be ready to epoxy together. So anyhow, that's where we're at. I think I'm going to use this as a stopping place because I'll have to start getting ready for work and stuff. So I'll bring you back tomorrow and we'll start again. All right. Good morning, folks. We're back. I had to buzz that piece of brass a little bit because I scratched the crap out of it with the Dremel tool when I was messing around. So that's 220 grit, and I've got some 600 I'm gonna try and make it a little bit smoother, and then I'll be able to clean it up later. So we're gonna do that real quick, and then I'm gonna drill that, get my leather done, and it'll soon be time to put the knife to epoxy. All right, stay tuned. It's definitely better than it was, and of course a lot of that's going to be gone as soon as I start shaping the handle, so we're good to go. All right, now I'm going to start putting things on. I got some more drilling to do, and then we'll be back. Okay, I've got everything cut and put together. What you just saw there was the end of that antler. I have got to make my opening just a little bit wider out, a little wider out here for that to fit. And then once I get that tang fitted, it's time to epoxy. So this is where we're at. Be right back. All right, man, we're getting closer. It's just a lot of filing to get it to fit. It's going to fit nice and tight. And as you can hear in the background, I got a thunderstorm brewing, so that's I enjoy that type of weather too. But this is where we're at. I'm going to continue. As soon as I get that thing to seat down in there and get tight against that piece of leather, we're going to epoxy. And then I'll be able to begin the shaping process tomorrow. And with that being the case, if I can get it together today and get it shaped tomorrow, it'll be ready for sale tomorrow. So anyway, all right, hang in there. We're almost done. All right, we got epoxy setting up, and this thing will be ready to shape in the morning. We're looking over real good. All right. See you tomorrow. Well, hey everyone, I thought I'd better give you a quick update before I get carried away and finish the knife before showing you what's going on with it. Just trying to get her shaped up and ready to go. That's where we're at now. I'm gonna get back to work, and I want to try to finish it today because I got some other things to do tomorrow. Gotta take down a tree for my mom. So anyway, I'll be back. Okay, got a little more progress made, getting closer to that that antler, and getting that narrowed down a little bit. I got a little more to take off. If you're looking at the right side, a little more to take off there to kind of try to get it symmetrical as best I can, and kind of go from there. So got a little bit more to work on. I got a flat spot here on the horn, so it's going to be interesting on how that turns out, but we'll get it done. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're getting there. All right, we're getting ready to put linseed oil on this, and it'll be ready. We'll see what happens. I don't think $150 is too steep, but you never know this day and age, especially with the way the economy's going. It's going to take that just to fill up a small car. Okay, let me get the linseed oil and I'll bring you back with one final shot.
My doctor went out of practice, so.
Okay guys, there it is. It's done. It's just I'm letting the linseed oil soak in. But and this antler had battle damage from fighting, where it broke off there, and then I drilled it and put that brass in there. There it is, man. That's a nice one. I am going to sell this one. Not really sure. I was thinking about 150, but I don't know. This day and age, like I was saying a little bit earlier, I don't know for sure. We just have to see what we see. Okay, you guys have a great week. Catch you on the next video.